Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the chondrichthyans. Chondrichthyans are very special type of fish which is different from the ordinary bony fishes. They are also known as cartilaginous fishes, and that includes sharks, skates, rays, as well as chimeras. They are quite different from the bony fishes which you might have seen, just like rahu, trout. These are all bony fishes, but the chondrichthyans, they are quite different, and they have unique characteristics which have successfully helped them to establish themselves as well as to successfully establish or inhabit at a certain ecosystem. Now, these chondrichthyans, they have many physiological, biochemical, behavioral characteristics which are quite different as compared to the bony fishes. Now, when we talk about the chondrichthyans or the cartilage fishes, their special characteristics is that their skeleton is not made up of bone, rather it is made up of cartilage. And other than this one, they have very strong movable jaw which have well developed teeth placed on them. Now, they have developed very unique and specialized sensory organs which help them detect even the weakest of the electrical signals, and these electrical signals help them to locate their prey as well as to navigate through the environment where which they are living. So most of the almost all chondrichthyans, they are freshwater, or as well as most of them they live in the marine environment in different oceans. So they have successfully adapted these seas or the oceans based on their specialist characteristics.